Hey everyone, I'm Dan Brown Jr. with InstaShield. So right now I'm going to show you how to install your InstaShield. So you received it flat like this, all right? So now there's these score lines right here. So this is where you bend them. So you bend them like this, and don't be afraid to break it. You're not going to break it, okay? So you bend both of these. It's like this, okay? That's how it should look from the sides. All right. So also you take out this little strip in here. You just go ahead and pull that out. All right, now you take your baseball cap and you put it through the front here. And all baseball caps are a little bit different, but for the most part, they're the same. So you work this on there like that, okay? That's what it looks like from the side. It should be straight up and down. And now this next part is you have these wings right here and right here. So you're gonna put these underneath, okay? So you're gonna put these underneath. So I put one underneath and I put the other underneath. All right, what might happen is it goes like this, okay? This is normal. It's normal, but you don't want it, this is not done. So now this is the important part. This right up here, this arch, hold on to it, put your fingers right here, and then push in here. So yeah, I'm pushing in here, and then now this is what it should look like. Okay, so there's this is how it should be here. And then with the wings right there, you can go ahead and leave them that way, or you can tuck them in so that they're in between the bill of the cap and your shield. And you can tuck them both like that, okay? So now, when it's done, you should be able to do this with your shield, and then you know you put it on right. So if you can't do this with your shield, you have to redo it, and this is how it should be. There should be some curvature right here, and it should be straight up and down, and you should be able to move the hat around like this. All right, cool. Thanks for buying an InstaShield and participating in our Million Shield Challenge. And if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us. Thanks a lot.